Trump is making some big promises, and one of them is taking mortgage rates under 3%. Let's break it down and see if that's actually possible. First and foremost, I'm very adamant about people having affordable housing. So when politicians start making bold claims, I get a lot of questions about if that's actually possible because it may impact somebody's decisions. I like to look at data and history for the answers, so let's talk about the 3 big plans out there that may impact you. Number 1, building homes on federal land. This one can actually help a little bit. The idea is to build homes on federal land with lower property taxes. That sounds great, right? But here's the catch. With the incentives, there actually has to be places that people want to live. This will be of no use if the areas aren't great and people aren't enticed to move there. Money isn't really everything in this case. Number 2, cutting regulations on building homes. Trump's saying cutting the building regulations could lower the cost of homes by about 30%. And yes, maybe fewer regulations could save builders some money. It doesn't necessarily mean that the prices of the homes will actually go down. The problem is the government doesn't control the prices of homes. So even if builders save money on building the homes because of some regulatory cuts, it doesn't mean that prices will actually move lower. What I'm saying here is don't expect things to drop overnight. Number 3, getting mortgage rates under 3%. To make that actually happen, the Fed fund rate would have to be close to 0 like it was in the pandemic. On top of that, the 10-year Treasury bond would have to drop to like 1%. Could that happen? Maybe. But rates being extremely low typically means there are other economic problems. Here's the thing. I would absolutely love to live in a world where interest rates were sustainably low. That way we don't have to experience the pendulum swinging back and forth and affordability being everywhere. Affordable housing is important, but these big claims have big challenges. I want to know what you think about this and how affordability is impacting you. And if you're looking for more real, easy to understand finance tips, follow me.